Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi issues on your Xiaomi TV. So in my case, I'm using the Xiaomi TV with Fire OS interface layout, but if you are using the Xiaomi TV with the Patchwall or the regular Android TV or the Google TV, steps are pretty much the same, though a little bit different for both kinds of devices, and I'm gonna explain everything in this video. But first of all, before you start troubleshooting any of your any kind of TV, you're gonna have to make sure that the trouble is not within the Wi-Fi router that you are connected to. So just grab any other device that can wirelessly connect to your router and try connecting it with it and check if the router provides network signal to your, for example, smartphone or laptop. And if the router functions well, then then we're gonna have to start troubleshooting the TV. Otherwise, you're gonna have to try to restart the router, or if it's not helping, then contact your internet service provider. Okay, so let's get back to the TV. First of all, put any peripherals aside from your TV, any peripherals that can use wireless network connections. So it can be your smartphone, your controller, your speaker, anything that connects wirelessly, so that it doesn't interfere with the Wi-Fi signal coming to your TV. And then check if your problem is resolved. Try opening any web service on your TV, and if this isn't helping you, then go to the settings. You can go to the settings in the very same way on any Xiaomi TV. Just navigate to the gear icon, and then you're gonna have to either go to network or Wi-Fi menu, depending on which layout your TV uses. In my case, it's network. In network, you're gonna see all the Wi-Fi networks. Check the one with the connected status, and let's try to disable Wi-Fi connections. So if you're using a Google TV and on your Xiaomi, then switch the toggle to the left next to the Wi-Fi option, and wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it on again. If you're using the Fire TV layout, then navigate to enable network option and switch it off. Then re-enable your network after a couple of seconds by switching this option on, and then wait until your TV is reconnected with the Wi-Fi network. And in case it's not helping you, then on Google TV, we're gonna have to forget the network that we are connected to. And on Google TV, it's done by selecting the network and then selecting forget option on the following screen. But on Fire Xiaomi TVs, you're gonna have to press the 3 stripes button on your remote control and then press OK to confirm. Then your TV will be disconnect from the network. And after that, we're gonna have to see all networks again, select the network that we were connected to, and then enter the password to the network once again. Once the password is entered, select connect, let your TV reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, see if this resolves the issue, and if not, then we're gonna have to cold reboot the TV. But if you are using the Google Xiaomi TV, then first, before doing that, just make sure that you have date and time set properly on your TV. In order to do so, go back to all settings menu, and in all settings find system. In system, you will find date and time settings, and in date and time, just make sure that the automatic auto date and time feature is enabled. On Fire TV, however, we cannot change date and time, so this is surely not the problem for this TV. So if the problem is still there on your TV, then let's press the power button to turn the TV screen off and then unplug the TV from the power source and leave it like this for around a minute to cold restart it. And I'm gonna get back to you when the TV is restarted. And if the cold reboot operation didn't help you resolve the Wi-Fi issue, then at this point we're gonna have to go back to network settings. In network settings, check if your Wi-Fi is divided into two bands. So in my case, you can see that this Wi-Fi network is divided into 5G and 2.4 G bands. So if your device is connected to the 5G hertz G band, switch it to the regular one, to 2.4, and otherwise just do the same thing, but switch it to 5 gigahertz band, and check if this helps you. If possible, change this setting in the router and actually divide your network into two bands, because 5G band may not be as accessible to your TV as 2.4 gigahertz band, which is which is compatible with most devices out there. Then switch to your 2.4 gigahertz. If not, if this doesn't help you, maybe your TV is simply incompatible with your router. Maybe your router is simply too old or simply incompatible. And in such case, we're gonna have to quickly make sure of that by creating a portable hotspot on your smartphone. You can check the tutorial on how to do that on our channel too, and you're highly welcome to do so. And once you create a portable hotspot on your smartphone, go to all networks, rescan for available networks. Once you find your portable hotspot on the list, select it, connect to it, enter the password to it, and after that check if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved. And basically check if your TV can use network connection from your TV. If so, then the problem is within the router or within the incompatibility between your TV and the router itself. And after that, if your TV cannot connect even to your mobile hotspot, then you can, as a last resort, you can go to you can perform a factory reset operation on your TV, and on Fire OS it is done by going to Settings, Device and Software, then going to Reset to Factory Defaults and confirming this operation. Of course, this operation will erase all data from your TV, including your account, settings, and media files. There are applications and everything else stored on your TV, and then you're gonna have to set up your device once again. And if your device runs on a Google Android TV, then you're gonna have to go to the System menu in Settings, then go to About, and in About you will find Reset option. Select Reset and then select Factory Reset and confirm, and after that your TV will be reset to factory defaults. And after your TV is reset to the factory defaults, check if this resolves your Wi-Fi issue. If not, then at this point you should definitely contact Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue. And most probably you're gonna have to send your TV to them for repair, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them check your device and probably most probably replace the network card in it, as this is most probably the cause of the issue on your TV. And still, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.